Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add IDM extension to Chrome browser manually. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to search in Google Chrome Web Store and open this website and click on Chrome Web Store. And here you need to search for the IDM. Click on enter and here you can see the first one, Internet Download Manager. Click on that and then you need to click on add to Chrome. Once you are click on that, then you need to click on add extension and that extension will be added into your Chrome browser like this. Let me show you the IDM here. As you can see that, so click on allow and let's see the IDM here, or you can click on manage extension and here you can see the IDM. Let me check it is added or not. So it is added. Let me check. Here you can see that Internet Download Manager, you can pin that one. Okay, so this is a process by which you can add IDM extension to Chrome browser manually. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.